Hi, today I'm with me ZTE Blade V40s, and I'll show you that the device comes with a 3.5mm headphones adapter inside the box. So let's open the box first. I think that we can check this box. Now that is the charger brick, so let's check the headphones box, and yeah, we can see that our device comes with this 3.5mm headphones and with the adapter to this headphones, so we can use them with our ZTE device by this way. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.